how simple. I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use boards and to create pages. And I do create pages because you don't want to just, show your uh, company product line or marketing system because everybody will see it and you want to provide branding. And so I'm going to show you a couple examples on how I use these to put information maybe on a social media site, or if people have information, they want information about a program. So like I'm doing a special here. It says like drop combo page. And I just pulled it up here and I just want to show you, it looks like a real website, a real web page. But what they are is just little pages. And you can sign up for free, but I like the bigger version because it has, you can do unlimited pages. And this is great for putting up like articles and kind of like mini blogs, I call them. And when people come to your boards, you'll see that you provide value. You can also share it with your team to use and just have them change out their information. So it's something that's creates great duplication. So for instance, I do lose 17 pounds in 4 weeks using these amazing drops. And then I basically just kind of let my experience of losing 160 pounds count and help you. So, and then I said, here's the drops that I've been using, and then combine it with the fat burners, and just kind of, give them a little information, not too much, and then you want to give them like some brief information, like a video. So we have the video on the drops, and then we have the video on the Advantage, and what that's going to do, it takes the guesswork out of it, and then also, when people sign in to want more information, maybe send them a video with Dr. Joy, where she talked about losing 160 pounds, or Dr. Vance. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said Dr. Joy, but Dr. Vance losing 120 pounds, and then do a before and after. That creates credibility. And here's there's a couple of easy things that you can do here. Is that you can say, order your combo pack here and hit subscribe and get 15% off. And then also have your information where people handle. If they have text me for faster service, they can text me, or they can go to my instant messenger on Facebook. And so you have your ways people can contact you right away. Like they're like, oh, okay, can I send you more information? And what you're going to do is just provide value. Now, here's another couple things I like to do. Now, I do an article too, and it's called Ozempic. And I talk about my incident with Ozempic. And I kind of just go into a little detail and my Ozempic nightmare. And I would probably put a video in here too and talk about my Ozempic. And that's a good way for people to get to know you and to build value with them. And you can tell your story and then tell them what has changed and then what are you doing now to continue your weight loss. So this is a great way to get people to know you. Also, it's nice to meet you. I just do kind of like a quick picture, let people know who I am. So we'll go here. MikeMicko.fit. This is my main page. So if you go to MikeMicko.fit, this is what you're going to see. And I'm going to add a little more to it. I'm going to add some more pictures to it. But this is just kind of a brief synopsis of what I'm doing. It says, watch our weight loss drop presentation. They can go there and it'll take them to a presentation. And kind of just what I sent you to, on their page. And that provides, and then also you can go to Mike's story. And I can tell them about my weight loss story. I can tell them about my heart attack. Let people get to know you, who you are as a person. So my computer being slow, of course, and when you're recording, it's always 10 times slower. But that's just the way the cookie crumbles, right? So it'll go to the drop combo page, and then the nice to meet you. For some reason, it's okay. Now, cool. So I did a nice to meet you, and it's just like, here's my journey and here's my story. Kind of just talk about when I was younger, and then when I was heavier, and when I had heart surgery, almost died. When I died on the table for 3 minutes, and talk about losing my sister and how big I was, and then I was talking about what changed in 2020, then my Ozempic nightmare, and so there's lots of value you can add. Tell your story. That's what people want to know. And then I show them what changed in my life and what really helped me. And I tell them what happened, how I was apprehensive, and then started getting amazing results with the products. So use this. People see this and people want to know this. And I'm going to show you how you can get people to notice these too as well. And it's a very simple step, but I only do it for people on my team, and I hate to be like that, but I want to show you like you can provide a lot of value and don't have to spend a lot of money. People spend $25, $50 a month on the same type of stuff, and you can do it for only $10 a month, and and you can create many pages as you want. I try to write an article every day and send out and paint it every day and get people notice. And you can do that with videos as well. So that's a great, and I would also suggest shooting a video with you on it. Let people get to know you. That's a great way to brand yourself. So if you want more tips and tricks, and if you maybe want to find out about these drops, also you can go to I'll have the two links on the URL, and then you can click there to check them out and just see how it does, and maybe you can use it for your business. I want to help people, stop spending money on wasteful stuff and actually save money using simple things that are very effective. All right, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the other side.